Hello viewers, hearty welcome to BRG News once again. The State Bank of India issued new guidelines to secure withdrawal of its customer. OTP is required to withdraw any amount exceeding Rs 10,000. The State Bank of India has made the withdrawals more secure for its customer. The guidelines has been amended now to make the withdrawals through the ATM. If any customer wants to withdraw amount of more than Rs 10,000, it will be only possible through the OTP. Any amount exceeding Rs 10,000 requires an OTP that will be sent to the registered number. Once the OTP is entered, then only the amount can be withdrawn. This is the new guidelines issued by the State Bank of India to protect the customers from fraudulent and also from the cloning of cards. This service is 24/7 service starting from today, that is 18th September. OTP is generated from system and can be received by the person whose number is registered. The State Bank of India gave this information by a tweet. Kangana Ranaut tweeted she will quit Twitter if anyone can prove her to be guilty of initiating any fight. Kangana Ranaut is making headlines after the statement she made after the Sushant Singh Rajput case. Yesterday, the actress tweeted one of the lines said by Lord Krishna and states that she never initiates any of the fight. And if someone can prove her guilty of the same, she will quit Twitter. Kangana Ranaut quoted Lord Krishna and said, "When someone invites you for the fight, you must not deny them. Therefore, I always finish a fight." The actress these days is in the fight with Shiv Sena after the demolition of some part of her office. After the incident of Sushant Singh Rajput case, she is continuously in some or the other way making her presence feel. Few days back, she also made some controversies with actor MP Jaya Bachchan and the actor Urmila Matondkar. Gujarat Secondary and Higher Secondary Education Board has announced Class 10 supplementary exam result today. The Gujarat Secondary and Higher Secondary Education Board Gandhinagar will be announcing the Class 10th supplementary exam result today. The GSEB exam was conducted in March 2020 before the COVID-19 lockdown, and the students who failed in one or two subjects appeared for supplementary exam in August 2020. The results got delayed as the exam itself was conducted late because of the corona pandemic. The students who appeared for the exam can see their results on gseb.org. The Gujarat Secondary and Higher Secondary Education Board notified on its official website that the GSEB result 2020 will be sent at Taluka level on September 18 and the students can expect the result by September 21. In Assam, 100-year-old lady defeated coronavirus in spite of having high blood pressure. Corona cases is increasing day by day. When there is lack of vaccine, the disease can be defeated by taking care of some responsibilities and adhering to precautions. When we are talking about it, one ray of hope has been reflected from Assam. In Assam, an old lady who is of 100 years and is suffering from high blood pressure defeated coronavirus in 10 days. Her name is Handiki. She fought 10 days with corona and finally returned back to her home. She was admitted in Mahendra Mohan Chaudhary Hospital in Guwahati. After getting her corona results negative, she sang a song in her native language, that is Assami. The doctor appreciated her will and said she was able to defeat corona with her positivity. The Health Minister of Assam, Hemanta Biswa Sarma, also appreciated her will and the positivity by tweeting through his Twitter handle. Before going further, let's take a break. Welcome back again after the break. Google Play Store removed Paytm. The Paytm Android app is temporarily unavailable on Google Play Store for new downloads or updates. Google Play Store removed Paytm. The Paytm Android app is temporarily unavailable on Google's Play Store for new downloads or updates. Whereas apps like Paytm for Business, Paytm Mall and few more can still be downloaded. This information came out when Paytm company tweeted it. The company also stated that all your money is completely safe and you can continue to enjoy your Paytm app as normal. The existing users who have already installed and using the app on their device can still use all the services of the app. The specific reason of taking down payment has not been revealed yet. BJP provided 10,000 PM Care insurance form to the citizen of Baroda under Seva Saptah and it was submitted in Bank of Baroda. Bharatiya Janata Party is organizing Seva Saptah from 14th September to 20th September in which the state and central government is providing different benefits to the citizens. So today Baroda BJP Vice President Parakram Singh Jadeja provided 10,000 PM Care insurance form and was submitted to the Bank of Baroda. And the first installment of the same was also deposited by him. In the city of Vadodara, 70,000 more such insurance will be provided. Seva Hi Sangathan is the slogan of BJP during this Seva Saptah, and they are providing many benefits under this to the citizens. During this whole process in Bank of Baroda, State General Secretary Shabd Saran Brahmbhatt, Mayor Jigisha Seth, MLA Jitu Sukhadia, Seema Ben Moile and Keu Rukadia was also present.
भारतीय जनता पार्टी समग्र देश सेवा सप्ताह 14 થી 20 માનનીય પ્રધાનમંત્રી શ્રી નરેન્દ્રભાઈ મોદીજીના જન્મદિવસ નિમિત્તે ઉજવી રહ્યો છે. એના ભાગરૂપે વડોદરા મહાનગરના જુદા જુદા અનેક કાર્યક્રમો હતા. એમાંથી એક કાર્યક્રમ સેવા એ જ સંગઠનના ધ્યેય નીચે વડોદરા શહેરની અંદર જરૂરિયાતમંદવાળા મધ્યમ પરિવારના 70,000 લોકોનો અમે સુરક્ષા વીમા કવચ ઉતારવાનું નક્કી કરેલું. એના ભાગરૂપે અમે આજરોજ જે કોઈ ફોર્મ ભરાણા છે એ ફોર્મ બેંક ઓફ બરોડાની અંદર વીમા સુરક્ષા કવચના જમા કરાવેલા અને ખૂબ જ સારો પ્રતિસાદ લોકોને મળ્યો છે. અને માનનીય શ્રી નરેન્દ્રભાઈ મોદીજી સતમ જીવમ સરદમ ચારે બાજુથી દુનિયા આખીમાંથી આ જ અભિવર્ષા થાય છે. વડોદરાના તમામ નગરજનો, તમામ કાર્યકર્તાઓ, તમામ વડીલોએ આ જ આશીર્વાદ આપેલા છે.
ભારતીય જનતા પાર્ટીના કાર્યકર્તાઓ દ્વારા, ભારતીય જનતા પાર્ટી વડોદરા શહેરના કાર્યકર્તાઓ દ્વારા અને શહેરના ઉપાધ્યક્ષ આદરણીય પરાક્રમસિંહ જાડેજા દ્વારા પોતાના પ્રયત્નોથી કુલ 70,000 કાર્યકર્તાઓના અને સામાન્યજનોના, સામાન્ય અને મધ્યમ વર્ગના પરિવારોના લોકો માટે એમને 2 વર્ષની 2 લાખ રૂપિયાની વીમા સુરક્ષા મળે એ માટેનો વીમા સુરક્ષા યોજના હેઠળ ફોર્મ ભરવાનો કાર્યક્રમ હતો. આવા 70,000 લોકોના વીમા 2 વર્ષ માટે ભારતીય જનતા પાર્ટીના કાર્યકર્તાઓ ઉતાર્યા છે. આ ગઈકાલે નરેન્દ્રભાઈ મોદીનો જન્મદિવસ ગયો અને 70મો જન્મદિવસ હતો ત્યારે એ 70ના આંકડાને સાંકળીને ભારતીય જનતા પાર્ટી વડોદરા મહાનગરે શહેરના તમામ વોર્ડોમાંથી 70,000 લોકોના આવા ફોર્મ ભરાવા અને એમને 2 લાખ રૂપિયાનો વીમા સુરક્ષા પૂરી પાડવા માટેનો નિર્ધાર કર્યો છે.
During this pandemic of corona, the Lions Club of Vadodara Vishwamitri distributed masks and hand sanitizers to the needy people in Old Padra. During the whole corona pandemic, many social institutions are working towards saving the people from the coronavirus. So today, Lions Club of Vadodara Vishwamitri distributed masks and hand sanitizer to the needy people in the area of Old Padra Road. Nowadays, cases of coronavirus is rapidly increasing. By keeping this as an important fact, Lions Club of Vadodara Vishwamitri has distributed more than 500 masks and hand sanitizer. The distribution took place in the presence of District Governor Lions JP Trivedi, Vice District Governor Lion Krishnakant Desai and many important position holders of Lions Club.
વિશ્વની સૌથી મોટી NGO લાયન્સ ઇન્ટરનેશનલની આ બરોડાની શાખા છે લાયન્સ ક્લબ બરોડા વિશ્વામિત્રી. અમારી લાયન્સ ક્લબની સૌથી મોટી અને સારામાં સારું કામ કરતી આ સંસ્થા છે. આ સંસ્થા દ્વારા આપણા માનનીય પ્રધાનમંત્રી શ્રી નરેન્દ્ર મોદી સાહેબની બર્થડેનો વીક ચાલે છે એ સંદર્ભમાં આજે સેનિટાઈઝર અને માસ્ક ડિસ્ટ્રીબ્યુશનનો પ્રોગ્રામ રાખવામાં આવેલો છે. લાયન્સ ક્લબ ઇન્ટરનેશનલ એ વિશ્વની સૌથી મોટી અને 200 દેશોમાં રહેલી સંસ્થા છે. લગભગ 14.5 લાખ સભ્યો છે અને એમાં ઘણા બધી સેવાકીય પ્રવૃત્તિ કરે છે. એમાં આંખોના ચશ્માનું નિવારણ, આંખોના મોતિયાનું ઓપરેશન, ડાયાલિસિસ સેન્ટર છે અને ઘણી બધી ફિઝિયોથેરાપી સેન્ટર્સ છે. આ ઉપરાંત મેડિકલ કેમ્પ, ઘણા બધા સેવાકીય પ્રવૃત્તિઓ લાયન્સ ક્લબ દ્વારા કરવામાં આવે છે.
The Indian Premier League 13 will be starting on 19th September. The first match to be played between Mumbai Indians and Chennai Super Kings. Indian Premier League 13 is starting on 19th September and set to be played in UAE. It has been scheduled between 19th September 2020 and 10 November 2020. The opening match will be between Mumbai Indians and Chennai Super Kings in Abu Dhabi, UAE. IPL 2020 final to be played on 10th November 2020. When the world is suffering from coronavirus, there were some guidelines that was essential to be followed by every player. Every player was under 14 days quarantine. In this time of anxiety because of COVID-19, it is a sign of relief for cricket lovers. It will be an interesting match to watch when 4-time winner Mumbai Indians will play against 3 times champion Chennai Super Kings. That's all for today's news. BRJ News team assures to keep you updated. Till then, stay safe.